My name is Mark Worman, and I'm with Graveyard Carz. We are a top-end Mopar-only automotive restoration shop. I started my shop in 1985, and throughout the years, I've had several locations, and I've had multiple compressors. For the past decade, I've used Kaeser Compressors exclusively. They lead the industry for air, for creating equipment that doesn't break down, that creates the best air and the best complete system, not just a compressor. We build the very best Mopars on the planet. We should be working together. At Graveyard Carz, we have several departments. The main shop that we count on the air for is down in the body shop and the paint room. All right, we have about 6,500 square feet of body shop and about 3,000 square feet of paint shop. So in those departments, almost all of the tools are pneumatic. The sanders, the DAs, the grinders, the cutoff wheels, the paint gun, the prep stuff for the painting, all of that is pneumatic, meaning it needs air, and it needs an even consistent amount of air. You get an old leaf spring that's just rusted, an old axle, a crankshaft bolt that won't come off with electric impact, you get the old pneumatic out. That's where we need a good volume of air, quality air. So we start in the morning at 7 a.m., we go home at 7 p.m. That means our compressors are working 12 hours a day, 6 days a week. We have 14 service technicians at Graveyard Carz. At any given time, all 14 could be using an air tool, or 3 or 4 could be using an air tool. The important thing to me is that we're never low on air. I don't want a guy over here running an air buffer while Will's trying to paint a car. Just for the record, 3 units that we have in place in the assembly shop, when I walk by them, no matter what time of the day, I never hear more than one of them running at a time. That's how efficient this system is. These are the screw-style compressors, so they don't create nearly as much heat. They're super quiet. We actually have all 3 of our compressors that supply this building with air, and we can still film while those are running. So they're quiet, they're efficient, and we haven't had one breakdown issue. I've been in business over 3 decades. I've learned a lot. We've had successes, we've had failures. Quality equipment adds up to a successful finished product. That's why we chose Kaeser Compressors.